Hey, it's Arie here, and welcome back to video number 16 in the Jumpstart to Freedom series. Very excited for this one. This is going to be the episode where I finally get into more of the paid traffic stuff, where I actually, of course, decide that every single week, no matter what happens, there will always be a consistent flow of traffic going. Whether it's I'm not entirely sure how consistent traffic authority how much traffic I'll be getting per day from it, but I know for a fact that with this new plan that I'm going to be having in place with the weekly budget, where every single week I will of course invest into paid traffic, this on top of TikTok and YouTube is going to help increase my traffic even more. So this is going to be very exciting. I definitely am super pumped to get into this, and I'm just waking up as I'm filming this too, so I'm kind of I'm repeating certain words and kind of losing my train of thought. But anyways, let's not waste any more time and let's dive into the agenda. All right, so here I am inside of the Traffic Authority dashboard, and I'm simply going to go ahead and I'm going to order a package of traffic right here. So anyways, basically what I'll do is I'll go over to Kartra, and I'm going to grab my tracking link for this. So I have the link created for TA traffic, so I'll just go ahead and grab this tracking link right here. And by having this tracking link, I could of course see exactly what my conversions are for this, right? So I'll be able to see the the opt-in rate, the percentage of people who of course go to the page and opt in, the amount of clicks that's of course being sent, and so I'll of course do that. So yeah, currently have the active order with Traffic Authority running at the moment, but it's time to get some more traffic to of course get more exposure here, right? So I'll simply go ahead, I'll select basic package right here. I'll come down to step 2, I will click other website, and I will paste that link right in there. And then I will of course get this card selected right here. Alright, I agree to the terms and purchase listed here, place order, and that should be all good to go. So, we cannot process your card. What the hell? That's really weird. That should work. I mean, there's enough on there. Oh, here we go. I got it figured out. So, basically what happened was I accidentally selected the wrong card somehow. I don't know exactly how that was, but it didn't put in the one that I wanted it to. So read through the entire document below so you know the terms of purchase you're making, and and all that type of stuff. So do that. So pretty much do this here. And then I simply just sign this thing right here. Whoops. And then, what the hell? And then complete order. Alright, and the order has officially been placed. So I'll simply view it right here. Alright, and here the order is officially in the active section. I guess they take a couple hours or something to pretty much approve it or something like that, and then this traffic will of course start running over to my link. So anyways, that's pretty much the process to order traffic, and I'm just super excited to see exactly where this goes. So see you in a bit. Alright, so I have the traffic order officially I guess active, and will be start running soon. Now what I'll be doing is within the next minute, there should be the daily wake up call that I'll of course be attending in here in the Facebook group. So I'll be very excited to of course attend that. And so the reason why I really like attending these is because every single morning when he goes live and he of course shares some insight, and of course it always gets me kind of fired up throughout the day. And so if you're looking to achieve anything long term, it's very important that you work on your mindset on a daily basis, whether it's personal development audios, whether it's, audiobooks, or if it's, videos on YouTube, or whatever the case is, or just something where, if you prefer physical books, anything like that, where you, of course, kind of feed your mind with good information. It's always best for the long term because, it kind of helps keep you on track, right? So you have to, one thing, of course, is important to remember is regardless of what you decide to do online, right? There's always going to be, ups and downs, right? There will be times where you feel like you're doing really well, and then there will also be times where you're kind of down here, right? And so it's important because, when you're down, in these, times where it's you face setbacks or something like that, the more you work on your mindset, the less likely you are to give up. You're more likely to stay in it long term, which will, of course, if you stay in it long term, is what's going to lead to the results, right? So how you feed your mind, regardless of what type of messages you put in here, it's going to play a huge role in your actions that you take. And your actions that you take on a daily basis will, of course, lead to the actual, results for the long term. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to see if this guy is live right now, and then I will simply pick it back up from here. All right, so it's currently about 1:29 p.m. I filmed a couple TikTok videos today so far. I filmed I think like 2 of them so far today. I'll be heading out to work in like an hour or so from now, and so I posted 2 videos today. So far, there isn't too much activity that's going on. I am getting a lot of engagement on older videos that I made, which is really great. And so far, I want to actually check my Kartra account real quick. So I logged in earlier today and I had 3 leads, but I want to see exactly how many I have. 3 leads, 4 leads today. Yeah, so far, it looks like this is a bit of a slower day. I got 4 leads that are coming in so far. So far it's looking okay, I guess. Not like too amazing, but I did have the other order of traffic authority starting, and I do intend on posting more videos of TikTok today. The one thing that I really don't like about TikTok, and this is something that's really been bothering me since like the very beginning, and especially as someone who is still kind of working their job, TikTok does not have a feature, at least as far as I know of, where you could schedule videos. I know that you can technically do this on like a desktop if you have the video like saved on there somehow. However, there's like a bunch of limitations on that to the point where it's not even worth it. Like I think you can't even add like sounds or anything if you upload from a desktop or some sort of weird thing or something like that, or you can't use like filters or any other thing like that, or there's like a whole bunch of things that you can't do if you schedule video from your desktop device, which is kind of annoying. So I'm really hoping that they add in the feature where you could, of course, have a video saved in your drafts folder, and then of course schedule it. Okay, like I want this video to go out like 3 p.m. today, right? I think that would be very helpful because like like in my case, if I'm at work and if I can't be on my phone, like I could technically have the video where it's like everything's all edited, the whole video is finished, I got all the tags and all the like the thumbnail made, and I could just like quickly go on my phone and just hit the post button. But it's like with the signal not being that great, and it's like also having to wait for it and not being able to really go on my phone. It can be kind of tedious getting videos up consistently when I am like, for example, working from like 3 to 10. So it's like they say that if you post like 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., that's like the time when TikTok is like most active and most people are like on the platform. They say that videos tend to have the best chance of going viral if you post around that time. However, then again, I guess like it's more so about the consistency of posting. But yeah, so I posted these 2 videos earlier today. I posted this like an hour ago, and then I just posted this like 10 minutes ago or something like that. So I've seen this one perform very well for another creator that I followed, this duet video, which I thought was kind of weird. Usually duet videos don't really get that much traction, but I've seen it perform well for someone else, so I thought I'd make something similar. And then this I seen from like some like 16-year-old kid or something like that who got like millions of views with this same sound that I used in here and the same like sort of question up here. So I figured I would kind of give that a try. But currently right now I'm looking at this creator right here. Online income streams, make money online with Adam. So it looks like this guy's got a ton of videos that have like thousands of views. Like, yeah, 20,000 views. Yeah, also 20,000 views. Like a whole bunch of, 27,000 views. It's like funny skit that he made. A whole bunch of stuff like that. So I guess it's, yeah, a whole bunch of... You're a troll on TikTok trying to leave... I'll have to... Looks like he's got some funny videos on here as well. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to try and film as many more as I can so I can, of course, post, maybe 1 or 2 of them while I'm at work. And then, of course, from there, I'll be pick it up from here, give you an update in terms of how today went, and see, I'll kind of report any sort of, more leads that came in, or if I get any more sales, I'll be sure to report them in this video. Anyways, hope you've been enjoying this so far, and take care. See you in a bit. All right, so it is now 11:19 p.m. I just got back from work, I want to say about 30 minutes ago, and I want to show you some really cool stuff that, of course, happened while I was, of course, away from my computer screen while I was at work. There were some pretty interesting things that were going on. I'll say this, there weren't necessarily any sales that came in. However, I've been noticing some really cool things with TikTok and also the number of leads I've been getting, and I feel like I'm onto something. I really feel like I'm onto something, and I want to show you exactly what happened over the past few hours earlier today. So check this out. Okay, so check this out. Here I am logged inside of my TikTok account right here. And as you could see, I had 2 videos right here that were going pretty viral today. I had this one that has almost 5,000 views, and this one right here has a little over 2,000 views. This one I did get some hate on, I'll be honest, because I basically I don't know. It's a story on its own. Basically, like, would you rather have 1 million right now or 10K every year? It does sound kind of ridiculous when you kind of think about the math in your head, like 10K plus how much. But you know, anyways, it's I guess I guess it's some nice publicity, I guess. But then there's this one right here that seemed to be performing very well, and also I think there was one other one. This one was still getting tons of engagement, as well as one other one in here was getting lots of engagement as well. I think this one was getting tons of engagement. So I've been noticing, like, there were a ton of comments coming in, tons of new follows, tons of likes, whole bunch of that stuff was coming in today. And you could probably imagine that because of this, traction that I've been getting today, you could probably imagine that the lead count probably went up, right? Well, that's actually turned out to be the case, because when I logged into my Karcher account, I don't have 0 leads today. No. It's in Eastern time. That's why it says 0. So it says the next day. But as of 20th, the time that I'm filming this video, yesterday, or today actually, I got 31 leads. So I hit my goal of 30 leads in a single day. And so as you can see right here, 2 leads, 13 leads, then up to 19, and then now 31 leads that I've gotten from today alone, primarily from TikTok. Of course, some of these did come from Traffic Authority. Oh, look at that, 100 visitors over from TikTok yesterday, plus the 9, plus the 25 from MLGS, which was really cool. And it looks like I did get one opt-in actually today, which was, I think that was, I don't know, I think that was like, oh wait. That was actually the 19th that I got the opt-in, it looked like, or I don't know, sometime before that. But anyways, so yeah, this is looking really good. I feel like I'm definitely onto something with TikTok right now. I feel like this new strategy that I've been implementing is really starting to work. It's really starting to, of course, take off. So I'm definitely gonna keep going with this. I'm definitely gonna find more videos. I'm definitely gonna keep modeling exactly what's working for other creators. And by the way, if you want to check out the exact strategy that I'm using, pretty much all you have to do is you just find other creators on TikTok right here. Find other creators in your niche, find videos that they have that are, of course, popular, that are, of course, getting lots of traction, and you pretty much make a similar video, model the exact same sound, similar hashtags, and then just kind of, add your own spin to it, right? So my phone's on low battery right now, but anyways, yeah, so this is looking really good, and I'm just super excited to see exactly what's to come. So overall, today went by very good. I feel like I got a lot done today, and also the results that I've been getting have been really good as of today. So anyways, definitely looking forward to continuing the series, and if you are not subscribed to this channel already, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, tap the bell icon, so you can be notified of all future videos I have on this channel. Anyways, I will see you in the next one. Take care, and yeah, see you in the next one.